Hi guys, and welcome to another video on SEPA channel. Today we will be speaking about Borg and Beck service parts and about filters in particular, and I want to speak about quality and price. It's very important, both of them. So we have here a cabin filter. On some websites you can find it as pollen filter. We have here an air filter and an oil filter. All three of them are for Toyota Corolla. However, they do for parts for a lot of brands. This video, it's not sponsored or anything like that, but I just want to speak about it because I know that you guys would want to know about the best price that you can get for service parts, and most probably some of you actually buy your own parts and do your own service. However, there are some mechanics which actually allow you to buy your parts and then do the service. Packaging wise, very premium, to be honest. Anyway, it's not that important, I get it, because you will throw away the package anyway, but it's very important for transport and reception of product. So here we have the oil filter. As you can see, standard. This one actually doesn't have that metal enclosure, whatever, just change it. And it comes, of course, with the seal. And for a price comparison, this particular oil filter, it's £3.44, which is not bad. And the competition, I would say, I'm not sure if I should put them in premium end or whatever you want to call it. However, MANN filters, oil filters for the same car, it's £9.49. So literally 3 times more. I had MANN filters, I had Borg and Beck. Actually, now on the car it's a MANN filter. I had Borg and Beck 2 years ago, and to be honest, you don't seem to notice any difference. Moving on, cabin filter here, standard cabin filter. And of course it has the airflow and the date when it has been produced. Okay, this particular one, it was £3.82, believe it or not. Again, the competition, MANN, it's £17.99. So it's 5 times more, something like that. Is it worth it to be 5 times more, keeping in account that you will change it regularly? I would say I would go with cheaper parts, and in this case in the filters category, and just change them more often. Anyway, they are service parts. And the last one here, we have the air filter, which feels decent. And this air filter was £5.08, and MANN filter you can find it for £18.49. So in this case, again, 3 times more. I would say the value and the cost of this brand in particular, they're very good. Made in the UK also. Forgot to specify, but yeah, they are made in the UK. So the dealer will recommend you to change the air filter at 15 to 30,000 miles, or 1 year, obviously, which one it comes first. In the cabin filter, for the cabin filter, you need to change it on 15,000 miles or 1 year again. I tend to maybe change it a little bit more often because it's important to have clean air in the car, inside the car, so because you basically breathe that, so it's important. And the oil filter, change it with every oil change. Technically 10,000 miles. I'm doing the oil change a bit earlier because it's better to change the oil than some engine part or whatever. Again, it's 10,000 miles or 1 year. This is what the manufacturer this is what Toyota recommends in this case, but most of the car brand has the same recommendation. So what do we think about quality? I wouldn't say it's perfect. However, for value for money, it's above average. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We will respond to each and every of them. And as always, see you guys next time. Bye.